Okay, hello students. Today I will explain you how you are able to install G Shala app. Under the instruction provided by our education department, the students who has an Android smartphone, it is very beneficial for them to install G Shala app. So in this video I will explain you how you are able to create your account and login. So let us start with the G Shala app installation. In your Play Store, your Android Play Store, this is your Play Store. Here you have to search for G Shala. As you can see, this blue color logo indicate it's a official G Shala app by Samagra Shiksha. Okay, you have to install, and after you install it, you have to find out on your screen like this, and you have to open it. It asks for photos and media permissions. You have to click on allow. Now you can able to see here English and Gujarati on the right top of this white area. You have to click on English so that all the information of the app will come in English. Now when you touch on English, it asks, don't have an account yet? Sign up. So you have to click on sign up, because you are new to this app. So you have to touch on sign up. Now students, this app is very slow, so you have to work with patience. After you touch on sign up, it mentioned here, I am a student. Now this first option is I am a student, then enter student ID. Now this student ID I will upload in the group. Every student, they have their own unique ID. Remember, student ID does not mean your roll number, does not mean by your GR number. Student ID is of 18 digit number. As an example, here I am entering one number of student ID. See that you enter correct student ID. Okay, after entering this number, you have to click on fetch detail. So if you touch on this fetch details, it takes some time, but all the information will come. As you can see here, the name of the student and the standard automatically comes. Now here you have to enter the mobile number, either your personal mobile number or your parents number. If you have your own mobile, it is advisable you enter that number, so that one OTP will come which you required. See that you enter correct mobile number, otherwise you have to repeat the whole process. When you click on fetch details, if your name not come, that means something is somewhere incorrect in your student ID. You can go for click here to know your ID, but I will upload every student's ID in our WhatsApp group. Now here I am entering the mobile number. Then I am setting the password. Here I set the password. Now both the password required to be same. Then you have to enter this captcha, this blue color 5516 number. When you try to repeat the process in your phone, this number will be different. And then you have to click on sign up. As you can see, it asks for OTP. So here one OTP will come, and that OTP you have to enter. And then you have to verify. Now after this OTP verify, again you come back to same screen. Okay. Now you have to click on cancel. Or you can press back button. As I told you, the app is very slow, so you have to work with the patience. I am right now trying to press the back button, but it's not coming. So I go to recent app and then I remove it. Now I again go for G-Shala app. This is the process called creating the G-Shala account. Now here you have to log in. You have to enter mobile number. Again I clarify, students, this particular app is very slow, so work with some patience. After entering the mobile number and password, you have to enter the captcha, this blue color digits, 0 2 6 1. Now select role. You are a student, so select student. And then log in. If everything is correct, then after some time you will log in. As I told you, app is very slow, so you have to work with patience. And you are able to observe, select the subjects. Now students, so far my best knowledge, at present this app is for Gujarati medium students, but very soon it will be available for English medium. That is what I am predicting. What we do, you can click on the subject which is common, say Hindi. Hindi will be common, so you can click on Hindi and then it will start. If you click on, say, social science, then it will show you the information about social science subject. But as I told you, it will come in Gujarati. Again I clarify to you that you required some patience. So here you can able to see the chapter names, but it comes in Gujarati. Now yesterday I tried my level best to find out any option available for English medium students, but I don't think so. But yes, you can try out. So many students are very sharp in technologies, so definitely you can try to find out. So this is the process which I need to demonstrate. All the student ID with their name I will upload in our class group. All right. My request to all the students and parents that the benefit of this app is extraordinary. Right now applicable subject is of Hindi subject, but yes, you are able to mention. See, here option comes English. So if I click on English, then what happen? The instruction of the app will come in English, as you can manage. Plus students, you see your name is also available, so you can able to check various options. Click on these three lines on right corner and you can able to work out learning resources, glossary and all. Hindi subject if you select, then I think so Hindi is the common language for both. Okay, so you can revise, very nice information available, quiz also available, test also available, so accordingly you have to manage. See, this is the trial. Okay, you can work out with this. In the classroom we discuss more about it. Okay, wish you all the best. My request to every student, if you have your Android phone, kindly install this app. In upcoming days you will get so many information and so many techniques to study easily through this app. Okay, take care of yourself, students. Thank you.